Hi guys, in front of me is CUBOT Note 9 and let me show you how to activate camera timer. So at first, just open your camera app, then tap on settings icon, and here you will notice countdown duration. So just mark it, and here you can manage your camera timer, so you can pick 3 or 10 seconds delay. Let me go with 10, and as you can see from now on, you can grab a picture after 10 seconds. So here you will be able to notice the countdown, and after that the picture will be grabbed. And that's it. Then whenever you wish to switch camera timer off, just go to settings again, pick duration and switch it off. So now you can grab a picture right after you click. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.